What's up, guys? Back in the garage today. Already got the swamp cooler going because it's a hot ass day here in Colorado. We got the giveaway truck in the shop, getting some stuff done to it today. But I wanted to show you guys that we got our color matched rear bumper. The truck's dirty from going up into the mountains to do some promo videos. We got our color matched front bumper and grill installed, and we sliced the bumper a little bit right there to get rid of our rubbing problem, and she is as good as ever. So what I got for you guys is over here in this box. It's actually in two boxes here. So we got the full deluxe max airflow bundle kit from HSP in their candy purple. This stuff is gonna really clean up the old engine bay of the truck and get rid of that AFE intake, new coolant bottle, stuff like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox everything here and then bring you guys back over to check that out. Alright guys, don't pay any attention to what's in that crate right there. That will come in another video shortly, but got it all unboxed. Coolant reservoir, intake tubing, intercooler tubing, part of the air box, some clamps, hoses, air box, some more intake horn, coolant, thermostat housing, some more intercooler piping, some hardware. So I'm gonna probably start with the air box since that's the easiest thing. I'll need to run to the store and get a bucket, stick under there for draining the coolant so we can replace the coolant reservoir. But get my topside creeper over here and start on the intake horn and air intake, so stay tuned. Alright, so it looks like the first thing I need to do is get the coolant out of the truck, because these coolant lines right here and this coolant line are going to be and this bolt right here and all this being in the way is going to block some of that stuff. So I'm going to run to the store real quick, grab a bucket, and get back with you guys. Alright, so I got the cold side pipe on down to there and the coolant reservoir all buckled up. I found out with this kit that you gotta reuse the stock clamp down there, which I wasn't thrilled about, but we'll see if it works. We may replace that boot, but the coolant reservoir's in there. So I'm gonna start on the air box now. So we'll catch back up with you in a little bit. Alright, so I didn't film all of it because it was boring, but got all done. The air box in there, cold side pipe, intake horn, the I don't know what that's called. The coolant used to run this way, but now it's going this way. We got that in, got the hot side pipe in. So we just gotta run to the store and get some coolant, and grab that, and then fill it up, and we'll take you guys for a drive in it, see what the sound is like. Alright, so we got her filled with coolant, got everything tight. Doesn't look like we're leaking anything, so we're gonna go for a drive and see what it's like. Interesting story here. We just got pulled over for doing 65 and a 55. The turbo whistle was just too good. Chris couldn't resist going that fast. So anyways, we'll probably end up with a ticket here, but we'll catch back up with you guys. Well, the cop did not give us a ticket, even though the registration on the truck's expired too. We were just polite with him and told him the deal. We just finished doing some work to the truck and we're testing it out before our giveaway goes live tomorrow. Chris is a lucky man. He just avoided a $163 ticket and 4 points. So we're gonna play it safe for the night, head back to the shop. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. I appreciate you watching. Hit that like button if you liked it, and keep following for more updates on the truck. The giveaway goes live tomorrow, so don't miss out on it. sunnydiesel.com.
Look at that, buddy.
Peace out.